Airstrikes on Iran challenge credibility of Russian air defense systems. As Israeli jets successfully attack Iranian defenses, the effectiveness of Russian air defense systems is being called into question, creating challenges for Russia's standing in the global arms market. Countries that use Russian air defense systems, especially the S-300, must have been shocked to see Israeli jets attacking these defenses during the rising conflict with Iran. This situation has highlighted serious weaknesses in Russian-made air defense systems. After Israel's extensive airstrikes on Iranian military sites, which reportedly destroyed some S-300 units, the reliability of these systems is now being closely examined. This latest event further damages the reputation of Russian air defense systems, which have already been criticized for their poor performance during Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Ukraine has successfully targeted both the S-300 and the more advanced S-400 systems, raising doubts about how dependable they really are. Please subscribe and follow me. The S-300 missile family, developed in the late 1960s, was designed to defend against different aerial threats, including planes and drones. The S-300P version, introduced in 1978, was meant to replace older Soviet systems and has since been sold to nearly 24 countries. Although it hasn't seen much combat, its performance has often been compared to the U.S. Patriot PAC-2 system, suggesting it may not be as reliable against modern threats as previously thought, according to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute (SIPRI). The airstrikes on October 26, which involved over 100 Israeli aircraft targeting Iranian military sites, revealed serious weaknesses in the S-300 defense system. Reports from The Telegraph and Wall Street Journal show that Iranian defenses were mostly ineffective and failed to stop the missiles fired by Israel. Key targets included Iranian S-300 systems at Tehran's Imam Khomeini International Airport and several missile manufacturing sites linked to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. These strikes demonstrated Israel's advanced intelligence and operational skills, which have allowed it to breach Iranian defenses more easily, as noted by The Telegraph. The impact of Israel's airstrikes goes beyond just military action. It marks a significant change in how countries view Russian weapons, especially among longtime customers. The SIPRI reports that Russian arms exports have dropped by 52% since 2022, showing a decrease in trust from clients, including India, which has traditionally depended on Russian military technology. This loss of confidence in Russian air defense systems creates major challenges for Moscow as it tries to keep its influence in the global arms market, according to SIPRI. India has invested a lot in Russian defense technology, buying 5 S-400 Triumph anti-aircraft missile systems through a $5.4 billion deal signed in October 2018. The first system arrived in 2021, and the second and third systems came in 2022 and 2023, respectively. These systems have been strategically placed in key locations to counter potential threats from Pakistan and China, as well as to protect India's airspace. The original agreement with Russia was to have all S-400 systems delivered by 2024, but this has been delayed to 2026 due to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. For now, a report from the Wall Street Journal indicates that Indian security officials see Israel's success against the S-300 as not threatening and continue to trust in their S-400 systems. Additionally, India is developing its own long-range air defense systems to work alongside Russian technology, showing a gradual shift away from depending solely on Russian arms. The strikes on Iran challenge credibility of Russian air defense systems.